So guys, we've just come down to Tawd Valley this week again. We like the jumps here that much. We thought we'll remember the GoPro this time so we can get some on board. Just so you know, you can park here at Latham High School if you're on a weekend. It's free, it's obviously safe, so it's under camera, your vehicle. So yes, just come and park here and then ride over towards this way. We'll follow it round the back of the school and you'll get right out at the jumps. It's a lot easier.
So our dad can't take her.
So guys, just down here at Tawd Valley, gonna do a lap of the blue just to warm up. So that was a quick lap of the blue. Nice little easy track, that blue one. Not really much to it. So we're now on the red. Just taking it easy. It's our first lap. Although knowing our Harry will go mental like usual. Oh, got a buzz of the arse on the tyre there. I do like this place. Nice little place. Our Harry enjoyed it here last time. Buzz on the tyre there. Too much fun. I hope I'm biking with my son, honestly. So just on the way back to the van. Good fun session today with our Harry. Proper fun day. Every day we go out on the bikes with this lad is top, honestly. Awesome day. Well, not even day, good few hours, but just a fun morning. Hey, anyway, see you guys soon, yeah?